These are the D elevators at Sarasota Memorial Hospital in Sarasota, Florida. There's actually 2 banks of D elevators. They're pretty similar to the B elevators, actually. Let's go down to 1. Here's your cab view. This is elevator number 12. And we're stopping, so I'm going to cut the video here just to show you. There's a bank here. There's the 1700 South Cafe, but if you go to the other side behind the elevators, you'll see there's a whole nother bank and an annunciator. So it looks like this middle one here is out of service. That one's up on 8 and that one's going up. So let's watch the annunciator. You can see elevator 10 is coming down. That's most likely the one that we're gonna ride. On it. Let's go to, we can't go to 11, let's go to 10. I'll show you what just happened there in a minute. And we're stopping, so maybe not. Someone got off on 4 and off on 6, just to show you, when you hit 11, it doesn't light up. Normally this would light up, and it would prevent you from selecting another floor for a few seconds. And that's why we couldn't press 10 for a brief moment there. So here we are at 10. Let's go down to 1. Like I said, there are only 2 working elevators on this side of, I believe they're on 2 different controllers, but yet they share an annunciator, and we're stopping again at 9. So someone ended up getting on at 9 and going all the way down. And this elevator, we just missed it. So we're gonna end the video here. That'll be it.